Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Honda Fit key for battery replacement. First, find the small slot on the side of your key fob. This slot is usually near the key ring. Next, take a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and insert it into this slot. With the tool in place, gently twist it to carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob. This should separate them without causing damage. Once the key fob is open, carefully separate the two halves. You will see the circuit board and the battery. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This will help you install the new battery correctly. Then, use a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or a tiny screwdriver, to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Your Honda Fit key fob typically requires a CR1616 coin cell battery. Make sure you have the correct replacement. When installing the new battery, ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Carefully place the new battery into its designated slot, making sure it is securely seated and makes proper contact with the terminals. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, ensuring all the internal components are correctly positioned. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob with your Honda Fit to confirm it is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.